Sounds of birds. Miss Sparrow, what do you do? Chirp all day, coo coo coo. Mr. Owl, what do you do? Hoot all night, tweet tweet doo. Miss Sparrow, what do you do? Chirp all day, coo coo coo. Mr. Owl, what do you do? Hoot all night, tweet tweet doo. Hoot all night, tweet tweet doo.
Hey kids! How are you all? Do you all like birds? We all love the birds, don't we? They are so nice and chirpy. Did you know that some birds come out only during the day and some birds come out during the night? Today our poem is about two birds. So are you excited, kids? In this poem, a girl is saying something to the sparrow. Do you see this cute little sparrow? Well, she looks so colorful. Let us find out what she's saying. She says, Miss Sparrow, what do you do all day? To this, Miss Sparrow says, I chirp the entire day, making choo-choo, choo-choo sound. Wow, kids! Did you know that sparrow is a daybird? Sparrows chirp in the daytime and sleep during night. Oh, that is so cute. Oh, wait. This girl is talking to someone else also. Okay, she is now talking to an owl. Do you see the owl? Well, do you want to find out what she's saying? She says, Mr. Owl, what do you do all night? To this, Mr. Owl says, I hoot all night, making twit-too, twit-too sounds. Aha! Children, did you know that owl is a night bird? Owls stay awake all night and sleep during the entire day. Isn't that amazing? This girl knows this thing now. Birds are so interesting, right, kids? They are so colorful. It is so much fun to watch them and to play with them. Woohoo!